Everything else on this, every time a cleaner, scrub brushes, everything, nothing works. Quick search on the internet, there's already a couple videos like this, but I thought I'd do another one. Here's the magic combo: CLR, mold and mildew, and a Mr. Clean magic eraser. Just the CLR, mold and mildew won't do it on its own, and just the magic eraser won't do it on its own. But both together, I don't know what it is, it's a magical combination. So I just spray it on. Gently wipe it around a bit so it spreads it out. I let it sit for, I don't know, a minute or so. I don't know if this does any damage to the vinyl. So far it's been good for me, but use at your own risk, of course. Alright, so I've let that sit for about a minute. Wipe off some of that foam. And there you have it. It's the part I haven't done yet. It's the part I have done. Works great.